Hello student, this is Raman Gowda, lecturer in commerce, Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. As we know, we are discussing problems on interpolation and extrapolation. We are discussing the problems on interpolation and the extrapolation. Already I have told you that this problem we will get, it is for the 5 marks in the exam. We will get 5 marks in the exam. Now we will discuss the one more problem on the interpolation and the extrapolation to find out the unknown values. Here what they have asked, the problem is estimate the number of persons for the age 24 and the 30. What they have asked, it is 24 and the 30 years, which the help of the following data. Years, age and the number of persons they have given. Number of age is, it is 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30, and the number of person is 20, 22, 26, and this we should identify. Okay, this we should identify, this we will identify. Okay, and the next one is, it is 35, 39, and one more thing we have to identify, it is, okay, in the age of 30 we have to identify, and the 24 we have to identify. So this is the problem what they have given. This is the problem what they have given. Now we will find out the unknown values. This is the 24th and the in the month of 30. Okay, 24 and the 30 we will identify. Okay, right. Here is the solution we will solve. Let x and y be the age and number of the person. X is considered as a age, okay, and y is considered as a number of persons. So x and y be a age and number of persons. So I have written x and the y. Okay, so x and the y I have written here. X value and the y value. X means age and y means number of persons. So x now we will solve the problem. Right, here student, this is the wrong, they have given the wrong information. This is not a thing. Don't, in the textbook also they have given 1990, 1992, 94, 96, 98, 2000 and the 2002 they have given. Okay, don't consider this one. Okay, don't consider this one. Okay, and don't get confused also. Okay, we have to consider 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and the 30. These all are the age. Okay, but here they have given the year. Okay, don't consider this one. In the textbook also they have given wrong. Okay, that's the one thing. Next, how many known values here? Here y0, okay, we have to write as a y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and the y6. Okay, how many the known values we have here? Here the known value is 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Okay, these two we have to identify. This y3 we have to identify and the y6 we have to identify. So since the 5 values of y are known, Okay, these 5 values we know, and then the fifth leading differences will be 0. Fifth leading differences will be a 0. It means the leading differences is to be 0. Okay, next we will move on. Next, delta 05, it means what is the expansion? Already I have told you that the Pascal triangle. Previous class also we have discussed the Pascal triangle. We have discussed y minus 1 to the power of 5. Okay, my y minus 1 to the power of 5. Pascal triangle, already I told you that this is the Pascal triangle. What they have asked, how many the known values are there? Known values are the 5. It means 2 to the power of 5. It means this value we will consider. Okay, that expansion also we have did here. That expansion also we have did here. Y minus 1 to the power of 5. So what is the y minus 1 to the power of 5? This y minus 1 to the power of 5 is y5, y4, y3, y2, y1 and y0. First we have to write like this, and according to that plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus we have to write. Then we have to write these values. These values, this 5, okay, and the 10 and the 5 and the 1 we will get from the Pascal triangle. Okay, this 5, 10 and the 5 and the 1, this is the Pascal triangle values. Okay, and previous class also I have told you how to take the values from the Pascal triangle. Okay, this is the Pascal triangle, how to take the values, already I have told you that. Right, okay, same value 5, 10, 5 and the 1 I have taken here, and this is considered as a equation number 1. Okay, this is considered as equation number 1. Okay, next, and the second equation will be obtained. Second equation can be obtained as increasing the suffixes. Already I have told you that how to take the or how to increase the suffixes. Each term by y1. Okay, if I increase the suffixes 1, okay, to the equation y, we will get, it is instead of 5 we have to write the y6, y5, y4, y3, y2 and the y1. Right, along with that we have to write the plus, minus, plus, minus, plus and the minus we have to write. Then we have to write the values as usual. Okay, from the Pascal triangle. Okay, this is what are the values: 1, 5, 10, 10, 5. Okay, the same values I have written here. What is the Pascal triangle value I will get? It is 1, 5, 5, 10, 1, 5, 10, 5, 10 and the 1. Okay, that we will get the same values we have to write here. What is the values I will get? I will get the values. It is 1, 5, 10, 10 and the 5, 1. These all are the values I will get from the Pascal triangle. Okay, Pascal triangle that I have shown. Okay, that I have shown here: 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay, the same values I have entered here: 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay, that values I have entered here. Okay, what is the equation? This is the equation number 2. This we will call that the equation number 2. Right, that equation number values we will enter. Okay, from the equation number 1, what are the values? Known values are there here. That the known values, it means y0 value, y1 value, y2 value, y4 and the y5 value. These 5 are considered as the known value. That known value amount we will enter here, that known value amount entered in the equation 1. For the equation 1 here, y minus 1 to the power of 5 equation they have given, okay, that we will enter here, that we will enter here. Okay, y5, what is the y5? Minus 5y4 plus 10y, the same equation I have taken here. Okay, what is the value? Same equation I have taken here. Okay, put the values. What is the y4 value? Y4 is the 39. How y4 value is, they have given is, y4 value is y5 and the y6 values they have given, that value we will enter here. What is the y5 value is? Y5 value is, it is 39. Okay, that y5 values is 39 they have given, so that y5 value is 39 I have entered here. So y5, first I will write here the what are the values. Okay, I will write here the values of y1. y0 is equal to y1 is equal to y1 is equal to 22, y2 is equal to y2 is equal to, it is 26, y3 is equal to 35, y4 is equal to 39, and y5 is equal to 1, that I will enter. y5 is equal to 1 I have entered. So the values, all these values I will get from the here, 20, y0, y2 22, y3 it is 35, and the y4 we have to identify, y5, and all the these values. y0 is 20, y1 is 22, y2 is 26, and the y3 is, okay, this is the, okay, y0 is equal to 20, y1 is equal to 22, y2 is equal to 26, and y3 is equal to, we have to identify the values, and y4 is equal to 35, and y5 is equal to 39, and y6 is equal to, we have to identify the values, that the same values I have entered here, What is the y5 value? y5 value is 39, so y5 values I have entered 39. What is the y4 value? y4 value is, it is 35. Okay, y4 values I have entered is 35. Put all the values here. y3 values, y3, what is the y3 values? It is y3 values we have to identify, this we have to identify. Then y2 value is, it is 26, y2 value is 26. Then what is the y1 value? y1 is 22, y1 value is 22. What is the y0 value? y0 value is the 20, so I have entered the 20. Okay, y5 value is, it is 39 I have entered, so 39. So 39 minus 5 into 35, this one. Okay, this is 5 into 39 is equal to 175. Okay, that is the 175. Next one is this one. Okay, this is 10 into 26 is equal to 260. Okay, I have entered 260. Next, this one is 5 into 22 is equal to 110. Okay, and the minus as it is I have taken. So these values, this 5, 10, 175, and 10 into 26 it is 260, and 5 into 22 it is 110 I have taken, and this 39 I have written as it is, and this 20 I have written as it is. This 20 I have written as it is. So if I simplify this one, okay, if I simplify all these values, I will get 10 y3 minus 306. Okay, add all the plus value one side and the minus value one side. If I add the plus and the minus value one side, I will get the values of, it is 306. Okay, this 306, 10 y3 is equal to 306, therefore y3 is equal to 30.6. just to take a calci, all the plus side one side, plus 39, okay, again plus 110, okay, it's become 149 minus 175 and minus 260 and the minus 20, it is minus 306. We will get minus 306. Therefore 10y3 minus 306, therefore 10y3 is equal to y3. Here we will get like this, y3 is equal to 306 divided by 10 is equal to 30.6. it is 30.6, that value we will get, and this value is considered as the value of y3. This value is considered of y3 value. This is the y3 value, right? 306 divided by 10, it is 30.6. This is the y0 value we got. How much it is? This y0, y3 value is, it is these values. Okay, what we got here. Okay, next we have to find out the y6 value. Okay, we have to find out the y6 value. Okay, here the y6 from the equation 2. Okay, from the equation 2 we will get the values. Okay, from the equation 2, what is the equation? It is y6 minus 5y5 plus 10y4 minus 10y3 plus 5y2 minus y1. Okay, same. Put the value of y6. What is the value of y6? We have to identify. Therefore y6 I have written as it is 5 into, what is the y5 value? 39. 5 into 39. 10 into y4, what is the value of y4? It is 35. Okay, 35 I have written. Okay, 10 into 35. Okay, and 10 into y3, what is the y3 value? It is y3 we have identified 30.6. so 10 into 30.6 plus 5 into, what is the value of y2? Value of y2 is equal to 26. So 5 into 26 minus, what is the y1 value? It is, y1 is 22. So 22 plus is, I have written the plus, and the minus also I have written as a minus. So if I simplify, okay, 5 into 39, 10 into 35, 10 into 30.6, okay, 5 into 26 and minus 22. Five into 39, 10 into 35 and 10 into 30.6, this 30.6 is a y3 values, and 5 into 26 minus 22. By simplifying all these things, by simplifying this equation, we will get y6 is equal to 43. Just to take a calci, okay, and multiply with 5 into 39, 10 into 35 minus 10 into 30.6 plus 5 into 26 minus 22. If you did, we will get the values. y6 is equal to 43. Okay, that 43 is considered as a y6 value. Okay, what they have told to identify the unknown values. Okay, this is the y3 value and the y6 value. This y3 and the y6 value all we have find out here. So here I can write as a y3 value is equal to y3 value is equal to how much we got? We got here is it is 30.6. Okay, it is how much? 30.6. that is the y3 value. Okay, and the y1 value how much we got? Sorry, y6 value it is 46. y6 is equal to 46. Okay, these all are the two values. One is the y3 value, another one is the y6 value. Okay, this is the problems on the interpolation and the extrapolation. Okay, please refer this one and practice at home. Okay, and in the next session we will discuss the some more problems on the interpolation and the extrapolation. If you want, okay, you can refer all the problems by the binomial expansion method. Okay, it is the all the problems and the answer it is in the one sheet only. Okay, you refer it as your notes, and this is you please practice at home. Okay, and this is the Pascal triangle. Okay, this is the Pascal triangle and this is the problem. Okay, thank you.